What's up, guys? In this video, just wanted to show you guys that I'm getting the wiring done. This is the wire that time the car didn't want to turn on. It was because it didn't have this eye ring on it. It was just wire like twisted on there like a speaker. So I fixed that, fixed this, fixed it over here. I fixed the oil sensor right here, fixed that there, fixed it up there. That one doesn't have any loom. I wish I would have bought some, but I'm getting the wiring all fixed, guys. I tried to call some people. The last dude I called, some dude from O'Reilly's vouched for him. It was the O'Reilly's on 10th Street, the warehouse. It's a big O'Reilly's where you can go and get like what you need to get. That O'Reilly's actually distributes to other O'Reilly's. Well, the dude, his name's Larry Lauro. That's how you say it in Spanish. He was like, "Oh, I know this dude that'll do the wiring for you. Here's his number. I vouch for him. He's good." So I call the guy. The guy never answers. And then he answers and says, "Oh, I'm busy. I'll call you back later." Didn't call me all that day. Didn't call me the next day. Had to call him and tell him, "Hey, man, can you come look at the car? Can you come look at the wiring I just showed you guys right now?" He was like, yeah, I'm just busy, man. And I'm like, oh shit, okay. That's why he didn't call me yesterday, because he was busy, right? The next day. And I wait. He tells me, I'm going to go that day. I'm going to go that day. He never goes. And I call him out of the blue that same day later. I'm like, hey, man, what's going on? Like, you told me you were going to come. Like, oh, I couldn't. I got busy, man. And I told him, man, I'll give you $10, man, if you can come over here and look at it and tell me what's wrong with it and if you can fix it. I even gave him money for gas to come over here. So the dude comes over here, it's not even in his car, it's in he's getting drove by someone else in another car. And I'm like, oh man, well, maybe, his. And I always heard that saying, mechanics' cars never fix, but everybody else's. That's not me. My shit's fixed and everyone else's. And I figured, well, maybe this guy's stuff's not fixed and he's getting it right. I don't know. But he came, took the $10, looked, and that's it. And he looked at the truck and was like, ooh, and I showed him the truck and told me, I'll be here 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning, man. You be here. I'm going to be here. Okay, man. I came. The dude never showed up. So I just ended up doing the wiring myself. That's why I don't trust nobody, guys. That's why I do everything myself. That's why I just do everything, because it's shit like that the people are all fake and shit. And I even actually bumped into this friend, not really a friend, acquaintance, and he was like, yeah, man, I go to your house. That fool never went either. This is a bunch of fake ass people. That's why I keep a very small circle. Actually, I don't even have any friends. I have no friends. I don't want friends. I keep a small circle because there's a lot of fake people down here in the valley, guys, that are just fake. I've been here my whole life. I was born in McAllen, Texas. I moved from that apartment over there, guys, so I don't no longer live over there. Don't waste your time and your gas revving over there, because I'm not over there. I'm over here at my mom's now. It was getting very ghetto there. There was a lot of dudes selling heavy drugs. I had to get the hell out of there. And yeah, guys, I'm just talking because that's been on my mind, and it's just a bunch of horseshit. And I just gotta do shit yourself, because no one's gonna do it. Not even my uncle. My uncle works so much nowadays. He doesn't even have time for himself and his stuff, and he can't even answer the phone. And it's kind of weird. He don't even answer the phone on holidays and say nothing. I actually told him I didn't even tell him Happy Thanksgiving this time, because he doesn't even answer me at all. I don't know what his deal is. He's very like that, almost, I guess, always by himself and shit. And I think with his son, my cousin, or who knows. But damn, my uncle, guys, not coming around no more. It's just us now, You you guys are the ones that always been there and commented, and you guys never leave, and I recognize that stuff, and I always see that you guys never like you know, leave the platform and stuff, and you guys are the true ones that watch and keep watching. And yeah, when I start making it, guys, and I can like spend some money on some like prizes and shit one day, you know, like, oh, I got a car, guys, that I'm building for y'all, so you guys can like win it or something. Or I kind of wanted to do something different, guys, and like help you guys get your cars fixed and like running better on the road. That was kind of my thing, you know. I kind of wanted to like help people fix their cars and stuff. Like, if you're a subscriber and you subscribe to me and you're like, hey Rich, I need my oil change, dude, come over here, text me, hey man, can you change my oil on this car? I'll do the research, dude. And if you want to learn, you can come bring your car and I can teach you, dude, and we can teach each other how to do that. And that's actually what I wanted to do, and help people with their stuff and have a shop, and like the subscribers can come and like get their stuff fixed and stuff like that. But yeah, because all these YouTubers that like raffle things, like, I want to do it different, you know. I want to like help my subscribers, since they give me views and they help me in that type of way. I want to help them fixing their stuff. But yeah, guys, you know, it's really hard for me to learn stuff, but I'm learning, and I'm reading that book. And we did that real nice. It looks all professional, Jimmy Oak style. I don't got the loom though. But yeah, it's coming together, guys. I'm moving this way, that way. I want to put the fan already because that's what's supposed to be going in, but I don't want to like put that in the way of the harmonic balancer, because I want to tighten that first. I got some washers, guys. These didn't have washers. These go right here, and this black one is the original one, goes right here. I use the engine support bar a lot. Well, the other day I had to do the brakes on the truck. The truck's kind of parked temporarily. I just ordered the brake system for this truck, a whole new one. I think the last time I did it was like 4 or 5 years ago. It needs it. I tried to bleed them like 3 times, and then I tried to bleed them like twice on each tire. It didn't do it. It didn't work. It didn't do anything. I got new wheel cylinders coming in already, and I got the whole brake reservoir coming in. So I'm gonna order probably, or go to Harbor Freight to see if they have that bleeder for it, so we can do it like me and my uncle did it on the video. And I'm gonna watch that video on YouTube so I can see how we did it. It's super easy. So you can bleed it before you put it on. But that's what's going on with it. I can drive it and everything, guys. It's just the adjuster in the back of the drum doesn't, the adjuster screw, like, you adjust it and then the brakes don't open because there's no pressure, so it like flops out and everything just gets loose. And it's just grinding in there. Probably already messed up the drum. I don't even know if I can get those resurfaced again. I'm gonna try to get them recut, the drums. But that's what's going on with the truck right now, guys. I did move from that apartment. I do not longer live there. If you guys want to come down here, I live here now. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna come early in the morning, since I'm gonna leave my truck here and I don't have no ride. I'm staying somewhere else, and I have to get dropped off here. So yeah, and then you know what sucks too, guys? Check this crap. Oh, sorry, pardon my French. The heater cord just blew out. And I'm not surprised because it's already like 24, 25 years old, this car. It's going to be 25, I think. It's going to be a classic already. What? It looks like a classic because it's all crazy. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you what's going on. The car's looking good always. It's not that good. It's kind of rusty. It's a jalopy, guys. You know, it's a 281 cubic inch. 260 horses. It's a Windsor. That's cool. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.